guys, so we actually got ourselves a delivery for the TheFamilyMine. Got a good deal on this. I'll show you what it is. It was used, so I gotta open it up, make sure everything's good and there. So let's take a peek before we take it up to the office. There we go, guys. Got ourselves a big fan, 34 inches, 34-inch fan. Huge fan. Now, we got this on Amazon. Now, this was a used fan. They sent it back. Was not exactly what they needed. So, they sent it back. So, let's open it up. I need another hand, so I gotta set this down. There we go. So it looks to be alright. Looks like we got a couple of them that are actually off kilter. You can probably squeeze those back on when this is out of the box, and I got some more flexor in here. But there is the fan. Nice. Alright, we'll see if we can get it out of here real fast. And there it is, guys. So, as you can see right here, here is our horsepower. We have a third of horsepower at 115 volts, 60 hertz, 3.3 amps. That's around 300, I think 350 watts, I think. This will do, I think it was right at, I can't remember. I think it's 3,000 CFM. We'll go, we'll check it out on the computer before the end of this video. But yeah. All I have to do is wire it up myself, of course, with a plug. So 115 volts, 60 hertz, AC power. So neutral, black to switch, green is the ground. Alright, so we'll ground it up there. Now there is another version of this that is a variable speed fan, so you can hook it up to a thermostat, and it'll change its speed depending on how hot it is. But we're going all go or no. So, pretty cool. We've got a few little issues that I gotta work out up here, but not too bad. Just gotta straighten them back out, which will be straightened out before when it gets put back on. But there we go, guys. Nice big old fan. So just getting that final inspection before I actually take it to the facility. So we'll see you all at the facility. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the big fan right here. We got it wired up. I had to wire it up myself. It's gonna go up into that hole up there. I gotta actually take that bottom molding off, and it'll actually fit right inside that hole. But just as you seen a second ago, has a little teaser. It lives. And it moves quite a good amount of air. Hot diggity dog. So, let's get this thing pushed up into that window. Right. Guys, it is installed. It is good to go. It is pulling air. It is doing its job. I just got to patch up a little hole right here with some of the extra and repaint the window seal, right? Make it look all blue again. Other than that, guys, it's up, it's running. We'll see how temperatures start acting over the next day here at the TheFamilyMine. So, catch you on the flip side. Much love. Peace out.
Due to the crypto market correction, GPU prices are going down. It's a great opportunity to expand, which is why OctoMiner is having a sale. They manufacture the best mining rigs in the industry and supply rigs to some of the largest GPU mining farms around the world. On average, they manufacture 2,000 to 4,000 rigs per month, and currently around 2% of the total Ethereum net hash rate is running in OctoMiner rigs. They are also an official AMD blockchain partner. Starting July 25th and going through July 29th, use the code OCTO10-072922 on checkout to get 10% off your entire order on their website. Please reach out to them at support@octominer.com for any questions.